Did you know God can use pizza to impact millions of kids around the world with the good news of Jesus Christ? Hi, I'm Nathan with Kids Enjoying Jesus, and I want to tell you about one of our newest resources, Pizza for Jesus, a pizza-themed, pizza-shaped story that helps you plan and prepare an epic pizza party for kids that's hard to top. You can find all the free resources you need to plan a pizza party for kids at kidsenjoyingjesus.com. We've got pizza games, pizza stories, pizza activities, all kinds of stuff. But before I get into more of those details, I want to give you the gist of what this story actually looks like. And since it's a story for kids, I thought, who better to tell it than a kid?
Pizza for Jesus is a true story of how Jesus used pizza parties to tell people all around the world about his amazing love. This slice of pizza reminds us of how Nate and his family would hurry to the kitchen and start making pizza for guests. This one reminds us that even though some guests that came were weird looking or maybe they were new, they were always welcome to Friday night pizza parties. This one helps us remember that sometimes it wasn't very easy to tell all the new people about Jesus because they didn't know them. But they still did it and had love for them. This pizza slice helps us remember that there was games and songs of praise and how Nate and his family also told the guests about Jesus while they were eating pizza. This one reminds us that God sent his one and only son, Jesus, to die on the cross to show his amazing love for us. This pizza slice reminds us that Nate used pizza parties and dinosaur parties and Easter parties and Christmas parties to tell kids all around the world about Jesus. Isn't it amazing that he used pizza parties to tell people about Jesus? This one reminds us that Jesus died on the cross for our sins because he loved us so much with his amazing, powerful, unforgetting love.
As you can see, this pizza-shaped story uses pizza slices that you turn over as you tell the story. Each one has a number on it so you know which order to go in. And they're available in two different sizes. You've got the extra large 4-topping option if you've got a larger group, or if you've got a smaller group, you can probably settle for the smaller pizza slice that actually prints 2 to a page so you can save on ink and paper. These smaller slices actually fit on a pizza pan, so you can arrange them on a pizza pan and turn them over one at a time. The bigger pieces are a little too big for that, but if you've got a larger group, that might be what you need. In addition to this true pizza story, there's also ideas to help you teach a memory verse, Ephesians 5:2, and walk in love as Christ loved us and gave himself up for us. There's also lots of pizza games like Mystery Menu and Top That and Pizza Points, all kinds of pizza topping themed games for kids to play. There's also ideas to help you just set the stage for a pizza party, ideas for how to set the mood, ideas for how to keep the kids engaged, how to reward positive behavior, and lots of game ideas. So check it out. Download your free pizza at kidsenjoyingjesus.com.
You can use pizza to tell kids about Jesus.